Hello everyone, my name is Deepak. I'm from Rajasthan and I'm an ND aspirant, and I am currently studying in the Cavalier classes at Delhi, and I came to know about it from my family friend, and it has been 10 days of my stay here, and what all I have observed is that the environment which is provided here for the study is great to succeed for an ND aspirant to succeed, and if I talk about the infrastructure, it is also very functional and provides helps in providing a good environment for the studies. And the teaching faculty here is very um, expertise and have a very good experience of teaching the students. They are able to connect the student very well, as it is not possible in online classes. And if I talk about the subjects in which the students face problems, there are sessions, and uh, practice sets are also given to the student for solving them, so that they get habitual to it. And if I talk about my personal experiences, in before past I had to solve questions. It used to take a lot of time, but now as we are being taught a lot of smart and easy tricks and the ways to approach the questions, it has been very easy to solve them now. It saves almost my uh, half of the time in it now, and I'm very sure that this time I will clear my ND exam.